Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is areas related to circle. Okay, and in previous class we take and discuss a very important topic related to that chapter. We discuss about the you find the area of sector and segment, and we take some important NCERT questions based on these topics. Now in today's class we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on segment or a sector of the circle. Okay, we already discussed about all the important formulas related to sector of a circle and segment of the circle, and also we discuss about all the important formula related to the quadrant of a circle. And you know that the quadrant is the 1/4 of the circle is known as the quadrant. Okay, now in today's class we take some important NCERT questions which is very important for you and your upcoming exam. Let's see. And your question is ABCP is a quadrant of a circle, is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter, of radius 14 centimeter with AC as diameter, with AC as diameter. A semicircle is drawn. A semicircle is drawn. Find the area of the shaded portion. Find the area of the shaded portion. Find the area of the shaded. In your question is ABCP is a quadrant, and your figure is this is your figure A B C. This is your P, and this is your point, that is point Q, and this is the shaded region. This is your shaded region. This one is what, 14 centimeter, and this is also 14 centimeter. Okay, dear students, here ABCP, okay, ABCP is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Okay, dear students, and with AC as diameter, means AC is the diameter of the required circle. Okay, and semicircle is drawn. With AC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Here from there, as AC as a diameter, a semicircle is drawn. This is your semicircle is drawn. Find the area of the shaded portion. Now let's see. Now let's see its solution. First of all, dear student, look here. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is what? ABC is what? A right angle triangle. And for any right angle triangle we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So first of all we find the diameter of the circle which we drawn. Okay, and because of AC as a diameter, so from figure, dear friends, from figure, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so from there, so AC square is equal to AB is what, 14 square plus 14 square. This is 196 plus or 2 into 14 square. So we find that AC is equal to under root 2 into 14 square. So we have 14 under root 2 centimeter. This is the diameter. Okay, thus half of AC is the radius of that circle. Thus radius R is equal to half of AC. So half of AC means 14 under root 2 upon 2 7s are, so 7 under root 2 centimeter. This is what, this is the radius of the circle with AC as a diameter, for which AC as a diameter. Now clear? This is a very important question. Now let's see again. Now look, let A be the area of the shaded portion. Let us take, we find the area of shaded region, that region na. So let us consider A be the capital A be the area of the shaded region. Then area of region, what, which region, dear friends, which region? A, P, C, Q, A. Okay, A, P, C, Q, A. This is the area of the required region, and because of that area is to be shaded na, that area, dear friends, A, P, C, Q, A, that area is to be shaded. Now clear, dear students? So we find that region na. So that region is which region? A, P, C, Q, A. Now look, A, B, C, Q, that region is equal to what? Area of semicircle A, Q, okay, area of A, C, Q, A, C, Q, A. This is the area of, yes, A, C, Q, A, A, C, Q, A minus area of A, C, P, A, A, C, P, A minus area of, look, A, C, P, A. Now dear friend, look, dear friends, according to figure, area of shaded region A, P, C, Q, A is equal to area of A, C, Q, A. This is the semicircle with AC as a diameter. Okay, and area of A, C, P, A. Now again from figure, dear friends, area of ACA is equal to what, dear friends? Area of, now again from figure, now again from figure, required area, that is area of A, P, C, Q, A is equal to area of A, C, Q, A minus, look here, ACPA, we don't have any shapes, so we find that area by using area of quadrant ACABCPA, area of quadrant ABCPA, minus area of triangle, right angle triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So in this way, this is the formula through which we find the area of the shaded region. Now we put each and every value in that expression and simplify them. Let's see. Now look, thus area of shaded region is equal to what? Look, area of ACQA. This is area of ACQA. ACQA is a semicircle, so pi r square by 2. This formula is pi r square by 2 now. Pi r square by 2. So 1 by 2 pi r square. Here r is equal to 7 under root 2 centimeter. 7 under root 2. Okay. Minus, in bracket, area of quadrant ABCPA. So 1 by 4 pi r square. Simply radius is 4. 1 by 4 pi r square. Here r is equal to what? 14 centimeter. Okay. And now minus area of triangle ABC, right angle triangle 1 upon 2 base into height. So 1 upon 2 into base is 14 and height is also 14. 14 into 40. Now we simplify them. Now look, so this is 1 upon 2, this is 22 upon 7 into r is what? 7 upon root 7 under 2 whole square, minus 1 upon 4 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r square, means 14 into 14, minus 2 sevens are 14 and such r2 such 98. Now look, we simplify them. So 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into this is 49 into 2. Okay, minus, now 7 2s are 2 2s are 2 7s are. Okay, so 154 minus 98, minus 98. Now from there 2 cancel to each other, 7 7s are 154, break the bracket, minus 154 minus plus 98. So 154 cancel to each other. So required, we find the required area of the shaded region as 98 centimeter square. This is the, dear friends, required area, means area of the shaded region of the required questions. So dear students, this is a very important question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now dear students, we are going to take and solve some other important question based on shaded region. Let's see, dear students. We take some important question of your NCERT exercise, and your question is 4 equal circles four equal circles are described about the four corners about the four corners of a square okay. So that each touches two of the other, so that each touches two of the others, as shown in figure, as shown in figure. Find the area of the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Each side of the square, measuring 14 centimeter. Measuring 14 centimeter. Okay, and your figure is, let's see, your figure is, this is a square, okay, and any two of touches, this is one, okay. Now this and this is four circle touches in this way, okay, two circle at least. And here this is A, B, C, D. Here point A, B, C and D are the centers of each circle, okay, and we find this is the shaded region, we find the area of that region, okay. Now 7, now this is 7, this is 7, this is 7 and this is 7. This is a very important 7 centimeter radius of each circle. Now look, let's see its solution. From figure it is clear that the side of square is 7 plus 7, that is 14 centimeter, and the radius of each circle is what? 7 centimeter, and the radius of each circle is what? 7 centimeter. Okay, now look what we find in that question, dear students. We find the area of shaded region. So dear students, from figure it is clear that what's clear that it is clear that the area of shaded region is obtained by the subtracting the area of square ABCD minus area of four quadrant. Four quadrant means what? Look, we know that first of all कि the each angle of a square is 90 degree. We know that each angle of a square is what? 90 degree. Okay, and area of shaded region from area of here, area of shaded region is equal to what? Area of square ABCD minus area of 4 quadrant minus area of 4 quadrant. And what is the quadrant? That topic is always discussed in previous classes. Dear friends, we already discussed about that ki 1/4 part of the circle, 1/4 part of the circle is called quadrant, and area of circle is what? Pi r square. So area of quadrant will be what? Pi r square by 4 because of 1/4 part of that. So in this way we have what? We have area of square is what? Pi. You know that if the value, the formula for area of square is a side square minus area of 4 quadrant means what? 4 into area of each quadrant means pi r square by 4. Pi r square by 4. Now we simplify them. Now look, 4 what? Cancel to each other. Side square, here side of the square is what? 14. So 14 square minus the value of pi we take as 22 upon 7. R is the radius of each circle is what? 7. So 7 into 7. Now 7 cancel to each other. The square of 14 is what? 196 minus. Now 22 into 7, 8. This is 154. Now we subtracting them. 6 minus 4, that is 2. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 1 minus 1, 0. So we get what? 42 centimeter. Right answer. Right. So this is the different area of the shaded region. This is the area of shaded region. Okay. So dear friends, this is the method to solve that type of question. So please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions based on the areas related to circle. After that, practicing that type of question, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now dear friends, we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. We take some other important question, and your question is, this is also very important question of your NCERT exercise. ABCD is a flower bed. ABCD is a flower bed. If OA is equal to 21 meter and OC is equal to 14 meter and OC is equal to 14 meter. Find the area of the bed. Find the area of the bed. Take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. Now look at its solution. ABCD is a flower bed, and your figure is ABCD. Okay. Now this is your figure. Okay. This is your flower bed ABCD. This is A, B, C and D. This is the flower bed. ABCD is a flower bed. Okay. This is O. This is 14, and this one is what? 21 meter. Now look here, in that figure there are two quadrant. This is the shape of the quadrant, okay, because of its frontal angle is 90. Now look, uh, from figure let capital R is equal to 21 meter radius of bigger quadrant and small r we take as 40 meter. Now area of bed, area of flower bed is equal to what? Area of quadrant, area of quadrant of radius r is equal to 21 meter minus, okay, minus area of quadrant of radius small r is equal to 40 meter. And you know that the value of the formula for the area of quadrant is what? Pi r square by 4. Now look 1 by 4 into pi r square minus 1 by 4 pi small r square. So now from there we take, now we simplify them directly. Okay, now look, we take 1 by 4 pi as common, so we get capital R square minus small r square. Okay, now look, this is 1 upon 4, the value of 22 upon 7 into r square means what? Capital R is 21 square minus 14 square. So this is the formula of a plus b, a minus b. So we also write 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into a plus b. This is 21 plus 14 is what? 35 into a minus b. This is 7. Okay, 21 minus 14. Now look, 7 cancel to each other, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are, okay, so 11 into 35 upon 2, so we get, this is the 5.5, so 5.5 into 35, 5.5 into 35, let's see, so 5.5 into 35 ना, 27 this decimal one take place, so 192.5. okay, after multiply them we get 192.5 meter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, let's see once more time. This is a very important question based on this topic. Now look here, dear students, here A, B, C, D is your what? Flower bed. Okay, and here OA is what? 21. So that is OA is equal to OB now, because of that is equal to that, and OC is equal to OD. Because of this is the part, this is the form of quadrant, means 1/4 part of a circle. Because of if we completed that, so it complete to the form 2 circles. So this is the 1/4 part of a circle, and we find the area of the flower bed, means we find the area of the shaded region A, B, C, D. Now for finding the area of shaded region, okay, we just subtracting the area of the quadrant of radius capital R minus area of the quadrant of radius minus r small r. So after that we simplify them and we get the result. So in this way you can solve that type of questions. Okay, dear friends. Thus, dear student, first of all, you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. After that, we solve some other important question based on these topics. Okay, now thanks to all.